Hey beauty enthusiasts! Ever wondered about the secret to turning your mineral makeup into a creamy masterpiece? Join me on this makeup metamorphosis journey. Let's start with the essentials. Our specially formulated unscented cream. This cream is formulated to blend well with our mineral powder makeup, whether it's foundation, blushes, bronzer, or eyeshadows. Not only that, but it's also a super moisturizer, suitable for all skin types, enriched with hyaluronic acid for a touch of wrinkle-reducing magic. To make a BB cream, you simply mix your mineral foundation with the cream and mix it together with either with a brush or with your fingers and apply it to your face just as you would with the foundation. And then blend with either your fingers or with a sponge. The important thing is to blend so that you don't see any edges. If you need extra coverage, just apply the mineral foundation on top with a brush. As you can see, I am blending my foundation with a sponge here. Now I'm going to be applying bronzer, and I'm blending my sun-kissed bronzer into the cream for a sun-kissed glow. And I just apply to my cheeks, outer cheeks, and my outer face and mix it in. Again, you can use a brush or you can use your fingertips, and it gives a really nice glow to your skin. It also adds a contouring agent to your face. Be sure to blend really well so that you have a seamless look. Now for the cream eyeshadow, I don't normally wear blue, but I thought I would play with this, so I've mixed the aqua blue eyeshadow with the cream to see what it looks like. And I applied a little bit. I already had eyeshadow on my eyelids, on the outer eyelids, and I left the inner part deliberately for this look. Just on the inner eyelid. And to make it a little stronger, I just put the mineral eyeshadow on top in the end. I quite like the look. So there you have it. Transform your mineral makeup into a cream masterpiece. Stay tuned for more tips. Until next time, keep it simple, alluring, and beautifully radiant. And if you like this, please like and subscribe. And it's bye for now.